Hello everyone, welcome to Bonnie's crochet class. Today I'm going to show you how to decrease in double crochet. Here I made 2 rows double crochet and I'm going to decrease on this whole row. Let's get it started. Okay, I make a chain 2, then turn the piece. I'm going to start decrease this 2 together and next together and on and on. Okay, like you're going to do the double crochet normally, you're going to do yarn over first, then you go to the first stitch, you draw a yarn out, you draw a yarn again to go through the first 2 loops. Now normally you draw a yarn, you pull over, then you finish the double, right? So we're decreased, so we save the last step. You draw a yarn again, yarn over, then go to next stitch. You draw yarn goes the first 2 loop here. Now we will have looks like a 2 double crochet right here, like 2 double crochet, and we have 3 loops here. That's the turning chain. Now we're going to draw yarn goes through all of them. So this 2 stitch combine to 1. Keep going. Yarn over because this is double crochet. Insert first stitch, draw yarn out. We're going to draw yarn goes the first 2. Now this, the first double crochet is half done. We go yarn over, go to next one. And we go draw yarn goes the first loop. Now have 2 double crochets, half done. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. And we're going to draw yarn, finish off. So this 2 stitch combine to 1. Keep going, yarn over, go to the first stitch, draw a yarn, go through 2 loops, yarn over, insert a stitch, draw a yarn, go through 2, then finish the decrease. You can see my other videos, how I hold my yarn, how you do the crochet, make a crochet hook easier to go through the stitch, all kinds of tips in my other videos. Okay, let's keep going. Yarn over, go to the first stitch, draw yarn out, draw yarn, go through first 2, hold the last step, draw yarn, go to the second stitch, and draw yarn, go through the first 2 loops. That looks like a half, 2 half double. Now I'm going to draw yarn, finish off. Now I have 3 stitches left. Then I'm going to decrease one more time, yarn over, go to the first stitch, draw yarn, go through 2, and yarn over, use the next stitch, draw yarn, go through first 2, then I'm going to draw yarn, finish off. Then I'm going to just finish the last stitch. Here you go. Then I finish the decrease, the whole row, the half of the stitch reduced. Thank you for joining today. Today is all about how you decrease in double crochet. I will see you next class.